Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Breaking news, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra hits again with more surprises. The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 hits Geekbench. The leaked benchmark reveals impressive single and multi-core scores from the upcoming Samsung flagship. According to the news, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra hits Geekbench with 4.2 GHz Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 on board a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will put the iPhone 16 Pro Max performance to shame once it comes out, and there's proof available now for all of us to see. It seems Geekbench has recorded one of the early tests of this S25 Ultra, and the results will drop your jaws. The Galaxy S25 Ultra bearing SMS 98 billion and SMS 938U models has hit the latest Geekbench, revealing its single and multi-core scores. The test results were shared by Ice Universe and Tarun Vats, two prominent tipsters on X. They shared this awesome news with everyone. Breaking news: Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra spotted on Geekbench with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, single-core 3069 points, and multi-core 9080 points respectively. We only talk about the Samsung exclusive SD8 Gen 4 here, so don't get it confused with the vanilla version. They always tweak the performance of the original, name it for Galaxy, and this time the clock speeds are much higher than SD8 Gen 3's 3.39 GHz. Both indicate scoring more than 3000 for single-core performance, and around 9700 for multi-core. The other interesting element from the benchmark test is, however, the upcoming Qualcomm chipset, which is all set to be unveiled at Snapdragon Summit next month. But there are now two alpha cores on this chip, doing 4.2 GHz clock frequency, and the resulted agates are north of 3069 in the single-core benchmark. The Apple A18 Pro is only a 6-core engine and tops at 2 by 4.05 GHz, and we haven't even talked efficiency cores yet. Thanks to this Samsung benchmark, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be a promising addition this year thanks to the new Oryon CPUs, which are being implemented for the first time. Earlier this month, prominent leaker OnLeaks produced Galaxy S25 Ultra renders that indicated a significant design change, including flatter sides over the predecessor, and a camera similar to those of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The picture of what to expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra is becoming much clearer. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.